What's up, guys? I'm so excited. Guess what we're doing today? We're making Disney drinks, and we're making Disney food, and we're doing the Cheeseburger Springrolls, and we're making our own Buzz Lightyear themed Mocktails today for the kids, the unbuzzed Lightyear, or for the kids to infinity and beyond. And I don't know where anybody is. Amanda!
What?
Come here!
What's up, Chris?
Do you want to make some Disney food?
Yeah.
Okay, let's call the kids.
Okay.
Kids! Amanda.
Yeah?
Our house isn't vlog clean yet.
I know. It's making me anxiety. I need to clean it.
We have to vlog clean it before we start doing
Okay.
this. All right, guys. Are you ready to make some Disney-themed food and drinks with us?
Yeah.
Do you want to start with the Disney drinks?
Yeah.
Do you know what we're making?
Yeah.
What?
It's a Buzz Lightyear drink.
What drink?
I forget what it's called.
To infinity and beyond.
Yep. Oh.
Or for the adults, the unbuzzed Lightyear.
Unbuzzed.
Get it? Mm-hmm. Mocktails. All right, the first thing we're making is drinks. And Michelle, I want you and Miles to make them, okay?
Okay.
Do you think you guys can do it?
Yeah.
All right, so the first thing we have to do is make the Hawaiian punch. And we got little individual packets, and one packet makes 16 ounces, and we have a 32-ounce container. So we're gonna put it all together. Can you do it?
Yeah. Of course.
I believe in you.
Thank you.
Nice idea, Michelle. Scissors. All right, son, daughter, pour it in.
Dump it.
It's gonna give it that nice Buzz Lightyear space blue color.
Jeez, that's a lot.
That's a lot, huh?
Blue.
Nice and easy. Oh, I think Miles wanted to mix it too.
It's kind of hard to mix.
All right, mix it slowly. Miles, help her. Take it over. She's doing it too crazy. She's out of control. Let Miles take it over. All right, each of you grab 2 cups.
Drop 2.
To each of the cups, fill it with ice.
Yeah.
Wow, great job filling up the cups. Let's add some OJ.
What's OJ? Orange juice.
Orange juice.
I would say a 1/4 cup.
I'm holding it for you.
Good.
Blue. Blue.
Perfect.
What's next?
Sprite.
Add almost to the top of Sprite on yours and yours.
I don't know
Get the other cup.
Perfect.
Wow, you guys are doing great.
All right, Michelle, are you feeling strong enough to add this really heavy pitcher of drink, or should I do it?
Me.
All right. Whoa, that is fun. Good. Nice job. Next.
So we have 2. That is so cool.
That looks really fun. All right, Michelle, the last thing you need to do for these drinks is add the maraschino cherries and the limes. Come on, you can do it. I believe in
Oh,
you.
that's a good one. One for each drink.
Miles, get in there if you want cherries. Oh, wait, where's it going? Oh, it's like a battle here. How many cherries do you need? You got it. Put the limes on, please.
What does the lime represent?
The greenness.
The alien.
The alien.
The aliens, right. Wow, that looks so good, Michelle. Miles, this one looks fantastic. You guys did such a good job on these drinks.
Let's try these. I love it.
And this is like really easy to make.
This is really delicious.
This is fantastic.
I love it.
What do you guys think? Are these the best drinks ever?
Yes. Except for Shirley Temples. I like Shirley.
Shirley Temples are
A
better?
little bit more.
Oh, man.
You guys did a really nice job with these. Good job.
Do you think you can do as good a job with our cheeseburger egg rolls?
Yes. No.
Hey, you want to know a fun effect? When these two things are mixed together, they look green.
Like the alien swirling saucers.
Like the alien swirling saucers. That's right, Amanda.
Yeah, perfect.
Good job. We're ready to make our, oh, I'm so excited. We're ready to make our Cheeseburger Springrolls from Disney. Now this is the recipe that Disney apparently uses. I'm so excited to try these.
I am too. I've been like waiting all week. This is my Mother's Day present.
Yes.
Gift recipe.
So in this recipe, you'll need egg roll wrappers. You'll also need a white onion, ground beef, yellow mustard, pickles, Worcestershire sauce, sharp cheddar cheese that we've already cut into, and vegetable oil.
I'm so ready.
Would you like to start cooking the ground beef, Amanda?
I would love to.
Let's go. All right, step one, in a skillet, add the ground beef. We also have to add the onions to the ground beef and cook it all together.
Are you excited?
And then you stir this all together, and then it needs to cook for a couple of minutes. The next step is cook the meat for about 10 minutes, and then we drain the grease and add the velveeta in. Hey guys, are you ready to make this cheesy? Now this is 16 ounces of velveeta. Amanda, should we just add the whole thing?
How much do we need?
4 ounces.
No.
Oh, how cool. It's already portioned out for us, so we can cut 4 ounces right here and add it right in. Amanda,
Yeah.
have you drained the grease?
I have.
Fantastic. Michelle, do me a favor and put that velveeta inside the beef.
Do you think we should cut into fourths?
Yes, ready? Hi-ya! Hi-ya! I got, uh-oh.
You only got 3.
It's, okay, there we go. All right, add it in. Now we gotta mix it up. Don't burn it, you gotta mix it.
I don't know. I want to.
Whoa, Michelle, that looks great. We gotta transfer this to a bowl.
Okay. And then how do I do that?
Here's a bowl. Transfer. With all of the beef transferred to a bowl. Miles, we need you. Add all the pickles to the bowl.
Without using the knife.
No knife, just use your hands.
Sure.
That's a messy job.
Someone's got to do it.
And it's me.
And it's gonna be someone who loves pickles, like Miles does.
Yeah.
Next step. Amanda,
Yeah.
can we let Miles add a couple of shakes of Worcestershire
we
sauce and 2 tablespoons of mustard?
Yes.
Whoa, geez, you're going outside the bowl. Ready? Shake, 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 shake,
All right,
shake,
good,
shake.
that's
That's fine.
That's a lot.
And 2 tablespoons of mustard. Here it comes. Oh gosh.
That's
one.
so
Get it
much.
in. Oh my gosh, get it in there.
I don't.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, that's the last step. Mix it all together, and then we're gonna start doing the egg rolls. Hey,
For frying the egg roll.
why is nobody mixing? Mix.
The gods have given you a
The gods have given you a spoon.
matcha.
So for the recipe, did you follow the Tim trackers? Is that where you got it from?
We're following the exact one that Tim Tracker did,
Oh, okay.
without the ketchup that he did by accident.
Yeah. This looks really good.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
I know.
So
and I got some like cheddar cheese cut up to put on the egg rolls too.
You do? Is it right there by chance? We've moved on to the making part of the egg roll challenge. I'm gonna show you guys how I think you should make them. And I'm gonna let each of you make your own.
Okay.
Now, the caveat here is you have to eat what you make. I'm gonna eat mine.
I'm gonna eat mine. I'm gonna eat mine.
I'm gonna eat Chris's.
Okay, so we have our cooked meat. We have our sharp cheddar cheese waiting to go on the top of the egg roll before we close it up.
We have me.
We have our egg roll wrap.
You love me. You love me.
We have our egg roll wrappers, and we have a platter to put them on before we get ready to go. And the other thing that we're gonna need, Amanda, is a wet paper towel so the egg rolls don't dry out while we're waiting to cook them. Egg roll wrapper, down. Now we're gonna put, does that look like enough? That doesn't look like enough to me. We're gonna put the cheddar on.
Okay.
We're gonna fold the outsides.
Yep.
And then we're gonna fold it over
Okay.
and kind of smush it in on itself. And then we're gonna wrap.
This looks complicated.
Wrap, And then we need a little warm water to wet the sides. And then we're gonna finish wrapping it. And mine has broken. All right, Amanda's the last one making it.
Okay, fine.
Come on, Amanda, you can do it.
Oh my God, so much pressure.
There's a lot of pressure. That's too much meat!
Oh, it is?
You've added too much meat! Take some off!
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Can you stop screaming?
Wow. Look at the way she does it.
Am I good?
I don't know.
Oh no, I cut it. Is that bad?
Yeah, you're being too hard on it.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Why are you going fast?
I don't know, I thought if I go faster it'll be better.
No.
Is that good?
Looks good to me. The next step is to add oil to the pan and heat it to 365 degrees. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hopefully that's enough oil. Michelle, how are you doing on that drink, man?
Good.
Looks really good. Are you beating up the lime? Is that what you were working on? I think it's gone, Miles. Hey, oil, are you hot yet? We don't have a thermometer, but if you splash water on it and it sizzles, I think it's ready.
It's ready.
All right, what do you think? Are we ready to pull these off?
These are awesome. So those are mommy's?
Yep, the last two are Mommy's and the first two are Miles. They're ready.
I'm so excited.
I'm really excited. They look good, they're crispy, they smell good. I like egg rolls and I like cheeseburger and I like Disney. So they've got all the things I want. Amanda, let's go eat them.
Let's go.
Woo!
Go first.
All right, we're gonna cut Miles in half and show what the inside of Miles' egg roll looks like. Oh, I'm so excited for this.
Me too.
Does it look like, look how good that looks.
It smells like a cheeseburger. Like it smells like McDonald's. Oh yeah, it smells just like a McDonald's like burger.
Wow, Miles,
Hold on, it's really hot.
can you take a bite? Is it too hot?
It might be too hot.
What do you think?
Give it a second.
Oh yeah, I can see the steam coming off of it. Give it a minute. All right, Michelle, I think yours are a little cooler than Miles. Do you think you can do the bite?
Yep, I'm gonna eat it over the plate.
All right.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yup.
3, 2, 1. I have 1, 2.
Oh, that crunch and the cheese. How is it?
I don't know.
Is it amazing? Do you remember the cheeseburger egg rolls that we had at Disney? Is it the same?
I can taste the pickle more.
Do you like the pickle? It tastes good on the cheeseburger, huh? Oh, look at the inside of mine. I'm so excited for this.
ASMR. ASMR.
Oh my God.
How is it?
That's Disney.
It's Disney?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah. This is so delicious. I can't believe it.
Is it everything you dreamed of?
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Crunchy, chewy.
Oh my God. Wow. You guys ready to try yours?
Yep.
Let's see it. Oh, I love the crunch and the cheesy bite. What do you think, pal?
Is it good?
Amanda?
Oh, the pickleness,
Mm-hmm.
the crunch, the cheese. Perfect. Oh my God.
It's just like the ones we had at Disney, right?
They're amazing.
They're
Even better. I think they're a little better than Disney's.
I didn't want to say that, but I agree.
You guys have to try these.
Sorry, Disney.
Michelle's just mowing hers over here.
So good. I usually don't really like pickles, but when you can taste the mustard at all.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know how to explain this. This is like pickle-y, but you can't taste the onion either. All you taste is the cheese, the hamburger, and the pickle.
And it's awesome. All right, so these took, what have we been working on these for?
An hour.
About an hour and a half, actually. So these took about an hour and a half to make. In your own opinion, is this worth it?
Worth it.
I agree. So I think that's gonna wrap it up this week. We made Buzz Lightyear Mocktails. We made Cheeseburger Springrolls. This is possibly the best day ever.
Best day ever.
Best day ever! So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Don't forget to bring home the milk.